Let me tell you something up front that most law firms won't. You might not even need us. Did you know around 70% of Australian couples with kids manage to sort things out without lawyers? They reach agreements on parenting and property and make it work and move on. And honestly, that's a good thing. Hi, I'm Hayder, Director of Walker Pender Lawyers in Ipswich. Before I became a lawyer, I was an Olympic athlete representing Australia. Competing at that level taught me discipline, focus, and how to perform under pressure. But it also taught me when to fight and when to walk away. That mindset shapes how we help our clients, because family law isn't just about courtrooms and legal arguments, it's about protecting people through one of the hardest moments in their life. We're not in the business of making things messier than they need to be, but if things are complex, disputed, or emotionally charged, that's when we step in. Because that's when there's a power imbalance, controlling behavior, or children at risk. And you can't just hope that it works out, you need someone in your corner. And yeah, that sucks. Nobody wants to hire a lawyer, but sometimes you do need one. Let me tell you about Sarah, one of our clients. Not her real name, of course. Sarah hadn't seen her daughter in over 6 months. Her ex-partner had gradually cut off contact, ignored messages, and claimed the child didn't want to talk to Sarah anymore. When Sarah came to us, she was emotional, exhausted, and felt completely powerless. We took immediate action. We got urgent parenting orders in place through the court and re-established contact quickly. She now has shared time, including weekends and school holidays. The legal system can be slow, but when it matters, we move fast. And Sarah went from feeling hopeless to holding her daughter again in under a month. Then there's Tom, a small business owner going through a divorce. He'd been married for over a decade, and his wife claimed she was entitled to 80% of everything, including the business. They weren't speaking, the kids were caught in the middle, and Tom thought he would lose his house, his company, and any fair chance at a settlement with his children. After sitting down with him and laying out his plans clearly, we avoided going to court by negotiating directly with the other side. We brought in a business valuer, we structured a property settlement that protected the business, and agreed on a shared parenting schedule. In the end, Tom kept the house and continued to run his business, and more importantly, kept regular and meaningful time with his kids. Now, let's be real for a second. Searching for a family lawyer can be frustrating. Every website can start sounding all the same. We're experienced, we care, we fight for you. It all starts to blend together. So how do you know who to trust? Here's what I tell people to look for. Do they listen to you or just talk over you? Do they explain things clearly or drown you in legal jargon? Do they have real experience with your kind of situation, not just generic law? And most importantly, what do their clients say? You can read hundreds of reviews from clients we've helped, people who were confused, scared, or exhausted, and walked away with clarity and peace of mind. We don't just say we're good, our clients say it for us. And maybe you're not ready to engage a lawyer at this point. That is completely fine. That's why we've built our website to be your family law knowledge base. You'll find videos, articles, explainers, FAQs, all free and all written in plain English by our legal team. We update our site every week with legal guides and how-tos because we believe informed people make better decisions, whether they hire us or not. At My Legal Practice, we're not here to make your life harder. We're here to make it clearer. So whether you're ready to get started today or just want to read up and learn more, we're here when you need us. And when that time comes, we'll be ready to listen, advise, and act. If you want to speak to a member of our team, book a consultation with us today. Just real help from real people right here at my law firm.